Minecraft just for a little bit. We're actually gonna be playing some Cat Life. I'm quite the big cat fan, as I mentioned in one of my videos. Well, previous videos. I practically grew up with cats. I've had cats basically my entire life. No, we're not coming to a shelter. We're gonna be out in the streets. Peace. That's kind of cute. We should try to befriend the dominant female. Let's play with her. Let's nuzzle with her. Let's lick her. Yeah, we're getting along with her just fine. We should try to befriend some of the other females, seeing as we're a male and you know. Alright, there's another. Nope, you're a dog. You're also a dog. And you're a snake! Seriously, there are only two female cats around here. Oh. Make that 3. Okay.
Hi, I'm Justin
Seriously!
Blanco, General Manager of Monroe Nissan with a big...
I hate ads. Again, play with her, nuzzle, lick. We'll do that to the alpha in a minute, but first... Ooh, here's a new female companion. Do all the same things with her too. And say we're befriending the other cats here on the street. Didn't mean to press that. I'm not really gonna attack a dog because, you know, those things are bigger than a cat. They aren't really the best to mess with. Alright, we're on very good terms with the Alpha. Not Alpha. Alpha. Let's befriend her. I won't befriend all the other cats here on the street, so we have at least some allies to turn to if we need help. Oh. We're already 9 months old. No, good friends with the Alpha. Can improve our relationship a little bit with her. How about the other? We can improve our relationship with her.
Hi, I'm Justin Belonga, General Manager...
Ads. Quit it. And you're old. I mean... Oh. Okay. Okay. Oh. Alright, I'm not gonna risk it with a tiger. That's not a good idea. There are several different females on this street. But also some rifle males. No, I'm not gonna risk doing that. I don't know if I should do this. Oh, she was okay with it. And we'll try it with her too. Don't know if I should. They were both okay with it. 2 daughters and a son. How lovely. I don't know if she'll be down for it. She definitely wasn't. Well, we have a few kittens. Once we had some help. I haven't necessarily moved up or down in wherever this is. Huh? She was okay with it. Seriously, ads, why do you have to exist? At least someone was okay with it. Don't know if I should try it with her. At least she didn't attack me. No kittens. I'm pretty well respected. And she really cares about me. Alright. No kittens again. It's okay. I'm not gonna mate with my own daughter. I wouldn't do that. Yeah. Kind of getting in a few fights. I'm not gonna watch an ad. No, I think it's time I move on from the street. Well, she was okay with it. No kits. Oh, we did have kits. Again, 1 male and 2 females. I doubt she'll be okay with it. Oh, she was. Okay. I'm not gonna get attacked by whoever that was. Yeah. Seriously. Ads. wonder why ads exist. I'm just over here trying to play a game and ads. Well, let's just try some through, see what happens. Oh. All females this time. What? Why does that always seem to happen? I get struck by lightning, but my health is perfect. Yes, you can tell I'm pretty fast. She's already 13 years old. Seriously, ads. No one wants anything to do with you. I'm living a pretty long cat life. How are things going so well for me?
Stop! Stop!
Heh. How have I lived so long? How am I not dead? And I'm dead. And that's a lot of offspring.